Finally, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is officially out in the wild, and we just got the first real unboxing. The wait is finally over. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra has been officially unboxed, giving us the very first real-world look at the device ahead of the big launch coverage. A Twitter user named Sahil shared multiple posts revealing that he has the Galaxy S26 Ultra in hand. In his first post, he confirmed that he received the device in Dubai. The post also clearly shows the retail box of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. In his second post, he uploaded 2 additional photos featuring the device alongside the box, giving us a closer look at the packaging and overall presentation. In the third post, he wrote, "Time to say bye-bye to my Samsung S25 Ultra, officially switching to the new model." In that post, we can also see the Galaxy S26 Ultra setup screen, confirming that the phone is fully functional. Shortly after, he shared what can be called the first proper official look, including photos of the device in hand and even a selfie. He also uploaded a screenshot confirming the phone's color is white, along with model description details, model number information, and other device specifics. That's not all. Additionally, he uploaded a video demonstrating how the new privacy display works on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, showing its real-life functionality. In another clip, he confirmed an important detail. The S Pen on the Galaxy S26 Ultra does not support Bluetooth this time. He also posted a side-by-side comparison featuring the Galaxy S26 Ultra, iPhone 17 Pro Max, Vivo X300 Pro, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, giving us a better perspective on size and design differences. That's all for this update. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy S26 Ultra so far? Let me know in the comments section.
Welcome to Galaxy Unpacked.
With the Samsung Unpacked event only days away, a leaker on X has shared a collection of promotional posters highlighting the Samsung Galaxy S26 lineup. These posters also showcase the Galaxy Buds 4 and reveal several specifications and features of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The images were posted by an X user operating under the handle YesKing12767. The first poster presents the standard Galaxy S26 model alongside the Galaxy Buds 4. The following image in the series displays both the front and back of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The device appears slightly taller and wider than its predecessor, while also being slimmer. The Galaxy Buds 4 Pro are featured next to the phone. Although the battery capacity remains at 5,000 mAh, wired charging is expected to increase to 60 watt, up from 45 watt. Wireless charging may also receive a modest upgrade compared to last year's 15 watt to 20 watt wireless charging speeds. The Galaxy S26 Ultra could support up to 25 watt with K2 technology. Another poster reveals the camera configuration of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. It includes a 12-megapixel front-facing camera, a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera offering 3x optical zoom. Reports suggest that Samsung has widened the aperture of the periscope telephoto lens this year to enhance low-light photography. A separate promotional image highlights the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. The upgraded neural processing unit improves AI performance by 39% on the Galaxy S26 Ultra compared to last year's model. The graphics processing unit delivers a 24% boost in graphical performance, while the central processing unit processes data 19% faster than the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The same poster also emphasizes the 5,000 mAh battery, which is claimed to deliver up to 31 hours of video playback. The device can reach 75% charge in just 30 minutes, supported by the upgraded 60-watt wired charging. One of the posters introduces the new privacy display feature on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This function helps prevent others from viewing notifications and messages by limiting screen visibility from side angles while the user is actively viewing the display. Another promotional image centers on the Photo Assist feature, a collection of generative AI tools integrated into the Gallery application. The example shown demonstrates how a simple photo of a dog can be transformed using AI into a birthday celebration scene, complete with a party hat, wall decorations, balloons, and gifts around the pet. The Samsung Galaxy S26 series, along with the Galaxy Buds 4 and Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, is expected to be officially introduced on February 25th at 1:00 p.m. Eastern Time, which is 10:00 a.m. Pacific Time. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. We're now going to run through the full specs, design, and expected pricing to help you decide which one is right for you, so hit subscribe now, and let's dive right into it. First up, the standard Galaxy S26. It's coming with a 6.2-inch dynamic A&O LED display with improvements in brightness and color accuracy. We get a 120Hz display with HDR10+ and a resolution of 1080 x 2340. The display will be protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3. For selfies, it has a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. On the rear, there's a triple camera setup consisting of a wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto, but the exact sensors are still unknown. It'll be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 chipset and comes with 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of storage, UFS 4.0. The battery is a 4000 mAh unit with 25 dV fast charging and 15 dV wireless charging. It will also support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband support. The phone will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to start at around $800 in January 2026. Next, we have the Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, which may also be known as the S26 Edge. This one will come with a 6.7-inch dynamic A&O LED display with similar improvements in brightness and color accuracy. You'll get a 120Hz display, HDR10+, and a resolution of 1440 x 3120, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3. There's a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera for selfies. The rear setup includes a dual camera system with a wide and an ultra-wide camera, though the exact sensors are still under wraps. It's also powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 and will come with 12GB of RAM and storage options of 256GB or 512GB, UFS 4.0. The battery is a 4900 mAh unit with 45 dV fast charging and 15 dV wireless charging. It will support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband. This model will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to be priced from $1,000 in January 2026. Finally, we have the premium model, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This one features a 6.9-inch dynamic A&O LED display, again with improvements to brightness and color accuracy, 120Hz refresh rate, and HDR10+, with a resolution of 1440 x 3120, and it will be protected by Gorilla Glass Armor 3. There have been reports suggesting that this could feature the first ever under-display camera on an S-series phone, likely an 8-megapixel under-display selfie camera. On the rear, it will come with a quad camera setup featuring wide, ultra-wide, telephoto, and periscope lenses, but the exact sensors are still unknown. The phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 in all regions and will come with 12GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage, UFS 4.0. It's packing a 6000 mAh battery with significant improvements to fast charging. As expected, it will also support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband. The S26 Ultra will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to start at $1,300 in January 2026. Overall, it's looking like the Samsung Galaxy S26 series is going to be an exciting release, especially if the Ultra becomes the first S-series phone to feature the under-display camera. Samsung seems to be continuing their strategy of improving and refining their phones, rather than completely redesigning them for the sake of it. And just like all new phones, there will be a major emphasis on software, with AI playing a huge role in the user experience. The launch is still a bit far off, but we can expect plenty of information to leak as we approach the release date. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on the latest updates.